am again. I've carried this weight for far too long. Smiled in public, cried alone. I've said I'm fine, but you know the truth. I'm at the end of what I can do. I've prayed for strength, I've tried to stay, but my knees are weak, my heart needs rest. So I come just as I am, with empty hands, Lord, here I am. I don't have the answers anymore, but I know